why are we here today? Well, AI is reshaping everything. There's going to be no industry untouched and no business is immune to it. And we discussed that in the previous video that will have led you to watching this course with us. And just here on the screen alone, it was an image I grabbed this morning, which is just, what's that, 5x4? So that's 20 different AI. That's now. Right, and what's going to happen as we go? There's just more and more and more and more. And these were like the main ones. Things like Grammarly. You've obviously got ChatGPT. You've got Gemini. You've got Grok. You've got Meta AI. There's just so many of them out there, and they're going to make our lives easier. But as we discussed, they're also going to make life harder because a lot of jobs that currently are done by humans will be done better by these technologies. So that's going to make a massive difference. So the pace of change, we said, is unprecedented. Let's talk about our journey together. So what is our outcome for somebody when they get to the end of this course, Anwar?
So like we just said, it's like I want you to go through a process where we give you all the foundational knowledge that you need. So you very quickly, over this next 2-3 hours of videos, you're going to be elevated from here right up to here in your knowledge as to what's possible. We really are going to put a lot of focus into giving you, I don't know, like the gold strategies. It's like we were only saying about it yesterday. It's like we've done way too many decades in this. It's like, so if you do a combined like 40 odd years that we've done in marketing and the internet, we've spent in excess of probably £300,000-400,000 in training courses, plugins, softwares, all throughout every part of this last 20 years of online marketing. So even the failures were like, great learning curves. So essentially what we're going to be doing is we're going to be giving you the absolute fastest learning curve that we know between us, which takes you from zero to hero in this space. So that's really the sole focus of this. So I'd just, I'd frame it now that we really want you to commit, 5, 6, 7 hours to go through all these videos. Because when you come out the other side of it, you will have a complete understanding of everything that's really going on in the AI space. Like what we're showing on screen here. The fact is, you don't need half of this. It's like you could dive into every single individual software, but it's like, it's not actually going to further you in, launching your ambitions or, your creativity or bringing in more money to the household, because you just get stuck in these tools. So we're going to really lay out strategies that we know work based on 40 years of being in the industry.